The system displays a message in the touch panel when you should replace a toner cartridge. The color toners are cyan or blue, magenta or red, yellow, and black. You can add the cartridges to the system while it is turned on. For this exercise, assume that the yellow cartridge needs to be replaced. Perform the following steps to replace a toner cartridge. Open the front cover of the system. Insert your hand into the recessed area of the yellow cartridge and pull the cartridge out of the system. The cartridge is fully recyclable through traditional methods. Shake the new toner cartridge up and down several times to loosen the toner inside. Hold the cartridge level to the ground with the white piece of paper facing up and locate the blue arrow. Slowly but firmly pull the white paper in the direction indicated by the arrow. Insert the cartridge until you hear a click, which indicates that the cartridge has been locked into place. Close the front panel of the system. In a few seconds, the system will be ready to use.